Because E4 causes loss of inhibitor neuron here, we wonder whether if we can transplant these progenitor cells that can generate mature inhibitor neurons into this area, whether we can rescue the learning memory deficit. That was the goal of this research. So a student in my lab, Leslie Tong, tried this. What she did was to collect those inhibitor neuron progenitors from embryonic mouse brains, which she also gave the green fluorescent color that later on we can follow where are those transplant cells. And then we transplant these cells into this hippocampal area where we did see loss of inhibitor neuron in the presence of E4. And then we give 3 months after transplantation, allow those transplant cells to grow and to integrate and to link to other existing neurons in this area. And then 3 months later, sure enough, we see many survived cells. They came from these original transplant cells. They functionally integrate, and very importantly, when we test the learning memory, now we see a complete rescue of a learning memory deficit caused by this E4 in these mouse models, which is quite old. It's about 18 or 17, 18 months old. So this is, we think this is a very important proof of concept study, because first, it strongly supports the hypothesis that loss inhibitor neuron caused by E4 can lead to learning memory deficit, because when we bring back the inhibitor neuron numbers here, so we can rescue it. Secondly, also support the possibility in the future, if we have one day we can transplant some of these cells, and we probably have an opportunity here to treat Alzheimer's disease patient. And even beyond this transplantation study, because it could be a long way to go to really finally get this stem cell therapy in humans. However, this study also suggests if we have other ways to stimulate inhibitor neuron functions, such as if we can identify small molecule compound, if those compounds can stimulate inhibitor neuron function or protect inhibitor neuron from death caused by E4, we might also have a way to treat this E4-related Alzheimer's disease.